Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you some important terms of related chapter first, which are melting points, melting and melting points, boiling points, boiling, vaporization, evaporation, sublimation, condensation, latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of fusion, etc. Okay, so first we will discuss what is melting or fusion. Melting or fusion. So melt means when solid substance is heated, it going to change into liquid state. Okay, when solid substance is heated, is going to change into liquid state. At that temperature when solids becomes melting, so this temperature is called melting point and the process is called melting or fusion. Okay, the process due to which a solid changes into liquid state at constant temperature by absorbing heat is known as melting or fusion. Okay, next our topic is freezing or solidification. What is freezing? Freezing means liquid converts into solid. Okay, on cooling. Cooling means temperature should be decreases and pressure should be increases. Okay, so the process due to which liquid changes into solid state at constant temperature so this process is called freezing. In this process heat energy is releases. Okay, our next topic is boiling or vaporization. Boiling means when any liquid is heated, it is going to change into vapor state. Okay, it is going to change into vapor state. In a liquid, most of the particles are close together. In liquid state, mostly the particles should be closer. Okay, but on applying heat, these particles remove from their attraction force and free to move in all direction. Okay, so this is called boiling and vaporization. It is the process in which liquid is heated, it is going to change into vapor. Okay, at the temperature at which liquid starts boiling is called vaporization. Okay, this is a temporary definition. Okay, and the permanent definition should be when vapor pressure of liquid. Okay, when liquid is heated, it is converted into vapor, so the pressure applied to the liquid is called vapor pressure. So the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. Okay, we have atmospheric pressure, we all know that what is atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the vapor pressure is at that temperature, the vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Okay, so this temperature is called boiling point. Okay, remember this definition. This definition is a permanent definition, and the temporary definition we can say that at that temperature liquids becomes boiling. Okay, so this is our temporary definition. Okay, and our next topic is sublimation. Next topic is sublimation. Okay, what is sublimation? It is the process when a substance is heated, it is directly changes into gas or vapor form, not convert into liquid. Okay, when a solid substance is heated, it is directly going to change into vapor phase or gaseous phase. So this process is called sublimation. And our sublimate substance are ammonium chloride, camphor, iodine, naphthalene, solid carbon dioxide, anthracene, etc. Ammonium chloride, camphor means कपूर जो होता है, iodine, naphthalene balls. What are naphthalene balls? Naphthalene balls are when our clothes gets smelled. Okay, so these balls gets reflects our clothes. Okay, and these are called sublimate substances. And this is a activity. By this diagram we can understand what is sublimation. Okay, so activity, we will all see that activity what is. To understand sublimate process we can do an activity. First of all we take some camphor or ammonium chloride. Okay, camphor or ammonium chloride we can take. Now second, crush it, matlab breaks it into pieces and put into china dish. China dish is a vessel, and place an inverted funnel over the china dish. Inverted funnel, this is inverted funnel. Funnel means, you all know the filter tube. It is filter tube. Okay, and heat the china dish slowly, and china dish should be heated slowly with the help of burner. Okay, with the help of burner. We observe that solid camphor on heating gets converted into vapor, which gets condensed on the funnel. So you can all test at your home. This activity you can all do at your home. Okay. Some question we will discuss. Naphthalene balls disappears with time without leaving any solid. Why? So naphthalene balls, naphthalene is a volatile solid. Volatile means which should be vaporized. Okay, naphthalene is a volatile solid and has a tendency to sublime, means it is a sublimate substance. Therefore it changes into vapor completely, which disappears into the air and no solid is left. Okay, so this diagram you should all know very well. This diagram explains the process: solid converted into liquid, liquid converted into gas, gas converted into solid. It is reversible. Liquid converted into solid, liquid converted into gas, gas converted into liquid, gas converted into solid. So first of all, solid converted into liquid, this process is called melting. Okay, and liquid converted into gas or vapor phase is called vaporization, and gas converted into and solid converted directly into gas is called sublimation. Okay, whereas gas converted into solid is also called sublimation or deposition. Okay, and when gas converted into liquid is called condensation. In condensation, temperature should be low and pressure should be high, and in solidification is same, temperature should be low, pressure should be very high. Okay, so now today we will discuss some terms: melting point, boiling point, freezing point, and sublimation, and some related questions. Okay, thank you.